Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Kotoko lost. Unbelievable. Like, if I didn't watch the game, maybe I just woke up from sleep or coma or something. They tell me Kotoko won Kadiogo in Benin and lost to Kadiogo at the Baba Yara Stadium in Kumasi. I would have told you it's a lie. I would have said it's a lie. It's a lie. You are joking with me. How can you put that type of performance in front of fans that traveled from almost everywhere in the part of the country? They travel from different places to come to see you play football, good football. You couldn't score one goal. Then you go to the penalty, you miss four penalties. It's as if the team didn't train for penalties. In fact, it's as if the team didn't train at all. It was a shambolic performance, I have to say it. Even Kelty Zakariasen won against Etoile de Sahel in Kumasi 2-0. He won. With the poor squad he had, he won. Kotoko played like a small team. They played like a secondary school team. They played like a team they haven't trained for 6 years. The preseason in Sudan, the preseason here in Accra, it has all been a waste because the performance they put today, I don't know what happened. If it was they were scared of their own crowd, or they forgot everything, or they intentionally playing to lose, because the way they played, they couldn't even push the ball past the opponent. It was shocking to see. You know, when you see the fans trooping in the stadium, you see the amount of fans there, you feel that they will have this momentum to play and, you know, give the team a very good performance, scale to the next stage easily. I was expecting 3 goals, 3-0, 4-0 in Kumasi, but look at Kotoko couldn't score one single goal against ROC Kadiogo. Not any Egyptian team, not any North African team. ROC Kadiogo, they won away in Benin. Kotoko couldn't win them today. They won Kotoko, and the penalty was, I don't want to talk about the penalty. Penalty is still annoying. Now, where do we go from here? First of all, I think Coach Seydou Zebo, I don't know if he's going to cut it in the Ghana Premier League, because the way Kotoko played today, you'll be having doubts that how can they cope in the Ghana Premier League. They play as a folk next. What do you expect? What do you expect from this team that couldn't play against ROC Kadiogo? What do you expect? They play against House of Folk in the Ghana Premier League. Do you think they can beat House of Folk with what they played today? It was deplorable, and the entire team should be ashamed of themselves. I think the club should dock salary from the players for this performance they have put out here. When they are delayed, when their salary is being delayed, they go on strike. Some of them leak to the press. But look at the performance. Look at the performance they put out today. It's a performance that justifies salary cuts, because if they cut their salary because of that performance, they justified. Because I don't understand what I saw there. It was deplorable, appalling, shambolic, shocking. I don't know which adjective or adverb I'm going to use to describe that performance. It was so disgraceful, and I'm very ashamed of that performance. Now, if you see the changes the coach made, it had no impact in the game at all. We were waiting for individual brilliance, no team connection, nothing. They were just playing, passing the ball, expecting Kadiogo to, you know, maybe respect them, respect the atmosphere. Kadiogo has mentally prepared themselves that they are coming to Baba Yara Stadium. It's going to be hostile, and they are going to do whatever they can to get the point. So after they score that deflected goal, their main aim is to defend, and if it goes to penalty, they were well prepared for the penalty. You saw the penalty they took. Dalad Ibrahim did well, saved one, but look at the rest. Penalty, how many yards? Shoot the ball. Before the game started, the Kotoko advertised, because I'm not in Kumasi, Kotoko advertised that Sik will show the game. After I saw that Sik is not showing the game, I knew that this is the start of a bad thing, because there's no way Sik cannot show the football game. This is the 3rd time that thing has happened. Sik not showing after the Kotoko advertised that the match will be streamed on Sik. This is the 2nd time it has happened, but they didn't show. So when it happened, I was still looking at the stream. I was still in the live stream, and Kotoko conceded a goal. I looked at the goal. It was a free kick. I heard that the foul that led to the free kick was avoidable. was a crazy and senseless foul. He got the flick, he got the deflected goal. Normally, the Kotoko we know, the Kotoko I know, the Kotoko you know would come out with a very good response, but nothing. We didn't see any good response. Kotoko came out and played as if they are the one winning the game. They came out and played as if they are away from home. Kadiogo played as if they are the home team. They play with passion, they play with carefulness. They could have even scored a second goal. But Kotoko played in a very disgraceful way today, and I think the entire team should look at themselves. Like, they should check themselves and see that what they did today. If you see the amount of fans, I don't know, most of you on social media, if you went to watch the match, the amount of fans in the stadium that came to support the team and they played that, how do you justify that sort of performance? I know they say Kotoko lose, Kotoko win, Kotoko draw, no problem. Support the team all through. We support them, but give us something to cheer about. At least put some effort. You went away and impressed us. You came back and you can't put that same performance. At least put some effort. Show the team that you are here for them. You are not playing for yourself. Without the supporters, there's no club. Without the supporters praising you, you can't play well. The fans were there today to praise you, to cheer you up, to do everything they can. But what do they get? They get a shambolic performance and a disgraceful penalty kick. I won't call for the sack of Seydou Zebo. Definitely, I won't call for the sack of Seydou Zebo. I'm sure that he has seen one or two things today that have told him that this player is not fit to play for a club like Kotoko. Some of the names that played the penalty kick today, can you imagine? The only person that scored a penalty kick was Mr. Reliable Yusuf Mubarak, a defender. A defender was the person that scored a penalty kick. A defender. The attackers, the midfielders, the strikers, they all missed. It was a defender that scored. That tells you about, what does that tell you about a team where a defender will score a goal and the strikers that are well experienced in goal scoring can't score a goal? I was annoying. It was I don't know what to say, because I'm angry because I pity the fans that traveled to support Kotoko. That is why I'm angry. I'm pitying the fans. I feel sad for them because they have left what they can do, what they have to do. Some people travel from home, some people travel from Accra, some people travel from Tamale, some people travel from Takwa. Every part of Ghana, they came to support the team they love, but they came to meet disappointment, shambolic performance, disgraceful output from the club they love. I know they are going to cause a stir in Kumasi. They are going to, the radio stations now have agenda, the feasting and all that. I didn't watch the game. I just followed the stream. I followed the stream on Facebook and on YouTube, and also commentary from fans and people at the stadium. Looking at everything, compiling them together to assess the game, you can see that Kotoko didn't play well and they have to be changed. A huge change should be made because some players are not fit to wear the shirts. They are not fit to wear the shirt of the Asante. They are not fit to wear the shirt of Asante Kotoko. It was a disgraceful performance, and the team should take a big look at themselves, because it was disgraceful. Kadiogo, ROC Kadiogo beats Kotoko in Kumasi. Unbelievable. So I think that's all I have to say. I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. Subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.